Hey everyone, Jai Shri Krishna and welcome back to my channel Siddhi Dube. So today is the most awaited video. After so many vlogs, so many festivals, so many challenges and all, finally it's haul now. And today it's an Ajio haul. Now everyone knows that Shein is banned and every single thing. But now something like that which can replace Shein is Ajio, I must say. It's not a huge haul, it's a small haul. And before starting this haul, I must show you my makeup because I have put lots of efforts to do this. See, it's not the best makeup on YouTube, but I personally love it. Okay, and let's start with the first thing. The first thing is I am wearing. So this is Hello t-shirt with these strips at side, and the material is so soft. Okay, without wasting, let's start the beauty shots. Okay, the second thing is what I'm wearing are my bottoms, my jeans. This. So, this jeans, the color is absolutely, I loved it. Material is very fine, and I basically loved it. It goes with every single top, and it's from DNMX. And I'll let you know the price over here. It must be returned somewhere. So let's see the beauty shots now. So before we move to third thing, I want to show you guys this. I mean, it's a haul, so basically I just got this to show you. It's one red and this, what's this color? Pista color, I don't know what. I got this from Byeeeee, the company's Byeeeee. The t-shirts are just amazing. They are like so comfortable. So I got this from my shop. Yeah. And moving to the third thing, that is this. So this is one net. Now you must see it over here. It's from Byeeeee. I got the exercise, and this is like that. This is like this, I mean. So the sleeves are longer, and this is like white cut net. This was supposed to be this. I mean the image over there, but this is like this. I didn't get the neon color ka inner. I was expecting that, and this I got like expensive. It was not worth it buying. So yeah, it's the neck of this is very small. You have to like struggle to wear this, and it's a polyester material, so I didn't know this. I mean, it was of course my fault that I didn't see that it's polyester, but I liked it. So yeah, thumbs up for this. So the fourth thing I got is this super cute and one of my favorite, this t-shirt, this shirt. Like, see the collar, it's amazing. I again got the XS size. I'll let you know the price over here, or it will be on the screen. Can you see it? It's all like colorful, and that also pastel colors. It's actually trending nowadays, and I am loving this. So this is one t-shirt or shirt giving full on beach vibes. I really want to go to beach now, no? So yeah, I really loved this, and it wasn't so expensive like I remember Utna. So thumbs up again for this. So the fifth thing I got is this. I mean, I hope you guys can see. It's saying Los Angeles, San Diego, and Hollywood, and many things are written on this. So this is from Point Cove, and this I got in excess. Actually, it's kind of oversized, but I don't mind because the material is so nice. The feel is like so nice, and I just loved it. It's again in length, it's actually long, but then again, I loved it, and I give a thumbs up for this. So, see the beauty shots. So guys, here the haul ends. I just told you guys that it's not a huge haul, and soon I'm gonna get more hauls. This was my first haul, so if you find any mistake, it's okay. Thoda sambhal lena, because I now it's my first haul. I have like seen thousands of hauls, but next haul will be probably more good, more better, and there will be no mistake, I think. So please give lots of love for my makeup. That is like I need so much of time to do that. And that's it, guys. Bye. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell as well. Subscribe, guys. Bye.